If you want to connect your OPPO Find X9 with a tablet, then in that case what you can do is you can go to Settings. Once you open Settings, you should be able to find cross-device connectivity. And then over here we have the tablet options. We can select this option. We need to agree and continue to let the app use the listed permissions. Over here we can grant these permissions over here. There we go, so that we have access. We synchronize with the tablet, of course. We can allow everything. And there we go. Of course, you might need to sign into your OPPO account to be able to continue. In this case, we have some information about the phone and tablet interactions, of course, and also touch interactions as well. And we can, of course, press Add New Device in order to try to find your tablet in here. Make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your tablet. And of course, you should use the same Wi-Fi network to be able to find the tablet. You can also tap on tablets over here in order to find out a similar information. Once you find the tablet on this list, you should be able to, of course, connect to it. And in case you need to, we can find some additional settings in here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.